Hello, everyone. I am Paul. Welcome back to Fluent World Podcast. I'm really happy you're here today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever needed help but didn't know how to ask politely in English? Maybe in a shop, maybe on the street, maybe at work. If yes, this video is for you. In this lesson, you will learn polite ways to ask for help in English. You will learn simple sentences you can use in daily life, and you will practice speaking with me slowly and clearly. Please watch this video till the end. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent World Podcast for daily English speaking practice. All right, let's begin. Why polite words matter. In English, being polite is very important. Small words like please, excuse me, and could you make your English sound kind and respectful. Now let's learn how to use them. Starting politely. Before asking for help, start politely. Listen first. Excuse me. Repeat slowly. Excuse me. Very good. Another polite start. Sorry to bother you. Repeat. Sorry to bother you. You can use these before any question. Simple, polite questions. Now let's ask for help. Listen carefully. Can you help me, please? Repeat slowly. Can you help me, please? Good. More polite. Could you help me, please? Repeat. Could you help me, please? Excellent. Very polite. Would you mind helping me? Repeat slowly. Would you mind helping me? Perfect.
Now let's ask for real help. Example 1. Direction. Could you tell me the way to the station, please? Repeat slowly. Good. Example 2. In a shop. Could you help me find this item, please? Repeat. Nice. Example 3. At work. Could you explain this to me, please? Repeat slowly. Great job. Very polite form. Important. When you want to be extra polite, use this. Would you mind? For example, would you mind helping me for a moment? Repeat slowly. Another one. Would you mind showing me how to do this? Repeat. These sound very polite and respectful. After getting help, always say thank you. Listen. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. Or, I really appreciate it. Repeat slowly. Very good. Short, real conversation. Now listen to a short, polite conversation. Paul. Excuse me. Could you help me, please? Sure. What do you need? Paul. Could you tell me the way to the bus stop? Of course. Paul. Thank you very much. Now repeat Paul's lines with me. Excuse me. Could you help me, please? Could you tell me the way to the bus stop? Thank you very much. Excellent. Practice every day. Remember, you don't need long sentences. Short and polite is best. Practice these sentences every day. You will feel more confident. So today you learned polite ways to ask for help in English. Simple and respectful sentences. Real-life English speaking practice. Thank you so much for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Fluent World Podcast. I am Paul. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.